Hello guys, this is a video and I'm going to be showing you how to make a ball bounce in coding using Khan Academy.
First?
What?
Where do I go?
First you need to go to coding,
KhanAcademy.org.
And then you go to computer programming,
Speak up.
and then you go to introduce to JS drawing and animation. Then you go to logic and if statements, and then you go to bouncy ball, and then see it just goes off the screen. And then you got to make lots. For me, I just make lots of space. I just do it right here. Do if statement. If. Oops. That. Y. And then you do Y, and then you do that thing. And then you do 375. And then you do this thing, and space, and then this. Then you go down.
What happened now? So don't worry.
Don't worry about that because you can just fix that by doing this. And then tab, then speed, and then equal to 5 minus 5, I mean. Then you go to the next step. Then make space there. Put that. Then you can do this. If you basically do the same, but the only thing different is this one points this way instead of this way, and then the numbers change. You got to do this to 25. Oops, 25. And then you gotta do this thing and this, and you gotta go down, and then you gotta do speed again, then equal, and then 5, and then that, and then boom, you made a ball bounce. Whee! It's bouncing. Just bouncing. Okay, goodbye.